Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As you see some green today, of course, so it is very nice to see what happened, of course, in the history first. And as an overview, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish your blue count wave 3. And we are currently inside this wave 5 in the yellow count to finish, of course, the wave 3. Then we're looking for a wave 4 later on and continuation toward the upside for a wave 5 in the blue count. Let's take a look, of course, on the daily chart. On the daily chart inside is this yellow scenario where we see, of course, as the wave 5 unfolding, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 3 is shorter than your wave 1, meaning your wave 5 should not exceed, of course, the length of your wave 3. And it has to end up soon, of course. In this case, we see higher prices, therefore, of course, we have invalidation of an impulse, and we have to consider a double 1, 2 here, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, meaning for higher prices. This would be much more better as well for the fib level taken from the blue scenario for a wave 3, which is 1.618. The most common target, of course, where it might finish a wave 3, 37,600. And this scenario double 1, 2 would be a perfect scenario to finish, of course, a wave 3 exactly as 4, 5, 4, 5 in the top here, 37,000, and moving probably toward the downside for a wave 4 in the blue count, and then continuation towards the upside again for a wave 5. Now, if you take a closer look, even what's happening here inside the wave 5 of 5, we can see, of course, on the 4-hour chart here, we are looking, of course, for something higher. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are currently in this wave 4, which we have probably finished, by the way, because if we take a closer look, our bullish scenario has worked here perfectly by breaking this trend line and moving into a 1, 2 as considered here, a second 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the upside. Breaking, of course, this, as you can see, higher possibility for bullish by breaking the 21,840. And this is exactly what happened. We broke it yesterday, and then we moved, of course, for higher. And now currently you are in a wave 3 of 1 here, because you have a 1, 2, and then you're looking for another 1, 2, right? So basically, let me check this one. This is not impulsive. This is part of the correction, okay? So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Then, yeah, possibly, of course, we would like to see continuation toward the upside to break still the high. Yes, this is very important for us to break the high. We don't want this to move back, because if it moves back to this same area, now it's gonna transform to bearish scenario. So now if we take this one, higher possibility for bearish. I'm gonna explain why. Because if we come back to here, yeah, so the wave 4 has interfered with your zone 1. So your impulse toward the upside, where you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 5 is not allowed to interfere with your zone 1. And once this happens, your impulse is invalidated. And it will transform this into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like our WXY corrective. And this will turn up, of course, again as A, B, yes, 3 ways for your A, B, C for your A here, A, B, and a C for, or WXY for your wave B, and then continuation toward the downside again for the target in the blue box. Yeah, so very, very important to watch these scenarios. Again, the same price is a very, very critical 21,840, and of course we're looking here at kind of an impulse toward the downside. So let's watch this a little bit on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, that's very critical. It looks like, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 probably finished as well. So probably this is an A, B, and a C on the 15-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is an ending diagonal. Yep. Higher possibility, guys, to take the low. Yeah. And of course, to secure this scenario, of course, in 100% is taking the wave 1 here, 21,800. Higher possibility again, yeah, to still take the low, guys. So be careful from it. It might be a trap here after getting out of this triangle, and it has transformed, of course, into an ABC WXY. So we are probably in a bigger WXY, so this X might has moved to shifted to here. Your wave 1, okay, we're gonna keep it until invalidation. 1, 2, we're gonna keep it until invalidation of this bullish scenario. And of course, probably we are looking towards the downside impulsively, probably. Yeah, 20,969 is a target, probably. 0.618 for WXY, and of course, as 20,350 is your second target as 1-to-1 fib level taken as A, B, and a C. Yeah, so that was it for NASDAQ. Let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Watch the key level here, this number, and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.